All right, we're also going to combine problems 31 through 36 into one video because they're all so similar, and you need all the different pieces to fit the whole thing together anyway, like one giant puzzle. So the first thing I'm going to notice is that all of these are straight lines that go through. So basically ZV has got a whole bunch of angles, but the whole thing has got to be 180 degrees. Now, every single line continues all the way through. We don't have any broken things. Like every now and then we get a line that would come through and do this. We don't have any crazy bends like that. They're all perfectly straight angles, which means that we got vertical angles, 4 sets of vertical angles in there. So let's go ahead and add in what we know. In the diagram, ray OT bisects angle SOU. So we've got SOU is bisected by OT. Bisect means that the two angles are congruent. We also know that the measure of UOV equals 26 degrees. So UOV is 26 degrees. Now, I'm going to go ahead and take advantage, before I go on to angle YOW, take advantage of my vertical angles to write in information I know. This is 26, so this is also 26. We also know that our vertical angles, so TOS and WOX, are congruent. The same logic applies to TOU and angle YOX. So these are congruent as well. Now, it tells me up here that the measure of angle YOW is 136. Now, YOW is this entire angle here, is 136 degrees. All right, now we can start doing some more figuring. Since this is 136 and these two are equal, that means that each of the smaller angles is just half of 136. So 136 divided by 2 is 68 degrees. So this is 68 degrees, that's 68 degrees, and so are the ones on the other sides. Now, I got to figure out the measure of angle VOW, and this one on this side is going to be the exact same since they're vertical angles as well.
It is a fire in here.
Angelina. Sorry, YouTube, we had a...
Is it for a druggie? No.
I don't know. Front office is all it is.
Yeah, front office.
Sorry, YouTube, we had somebody walk in my classroom. We had to clap for him.
It's not for attendance.
Because we're funny.
Now, all right, these two angles are the same. So, as I said earlier, I know that this whole thing forms 180 degrees. Well, I can subtract all these out from 180 to find the measure of angle VOW. So, we got 180. Let's go ahead and clear it out. 180 minus 26 minus this whole angle was 136 gives me 18 degrees. So this is 18 degrees and this is 18 degrees. Now we can take all these angle measures and start plugging them in for my answer. So measure of angle ZOY. ZOY is 26 degrees. ZOW. ZOW. Well, that's going to be 136 plus 26. 136 plus 26 is 162. VOW is 18 degrees. SOW. SOU, not W. SOU, 68 plus 68 is 136 degrees. Measure of angle TOU. TOU was 68. And ZOT is 18 plus 68 is 86 degrees.